Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about human circulatory system. The human circulatory system is the one of the important system in our human body. Circulatory system is processed in our heart. So firstly we have to know about our heart. So our heart situated in lungs. In lungs slightly towards the left side in the thoracic cavity. When we learn things or learn any concepts with these actions, so this will be more memorable for us for long time. So our heart situated in a right side in our right in our lungs, slightly right side in the thoracic cavity. So today we are going to discuss about how deoxygenated blood comes in our heart and how it becomes oxygenated and passes through all body parts. So we all know about know that our heart is a four-chambered heart. As a like crocodile, our heart is also four-chambered, and we are warm-blooded. Humans are warm-blooded. So there are four chambers. This one is the right atrium. This one is the left atrium. This one is the right ventricle, and this one is the left ventricle. These are the four chambers four chambers of our heart. So these four chambers are like a four compartment, and each compartment or each chamber is separated by a septum, and each septum have a particular name. That is the right atrium and left atrium are separated by the interferious septum. The right ventricle and left ventricle are separated by IV septum, that is interventricular septum, and these two upper situated atrium and the two ventricles which are situated in lower, these two are separated by the atrioventricular septum. So atrioventricular septum separates two atriums and two ventricles. IV septum, interventricular septum separates two ventricles, and the interferious septum separates two atriums. So firstly we have discussed about right atrium. The right atrium is the small in size and have a thin wall. It carries deoxygenated blood from the lungs. Right atrium have a small size, have a thin wall, and consist or carry deoxygenated blood from the lungs. From right atrium, deoxygenated blood pumps towards the right ventricle. Right ventricle is bigger in size and have a thick wall. Function of right ventricle is pumps deoxygenated blood towards the lungs. Pump deoxygenated blood towards the lungs. Then next one is the left atrium. This one is also smaller in size and receives oxygenated blood from the lungs. Left atrium is smaller in size and have a thin wall and receives oxygenated blood from the lungs. Then oxygenated blood passes through the right ventricle. Oxygenated blood from left atrium passes or pumps toward the right ventricle. Right ventricle have a thickest wall around them and have a larger in size. And from right atrium, it pumps oxygenated blood to the all body parts. And this one is the aorta, which is the longest artery in our body. This one is the pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein, function of pulmonary vein is passes oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Pulmonary vein passes oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. So we studied that one is the round, that deoxygenated blood comes in the heart, how it passes through from one chamber to next chamber, and how it becomes oxygenated and passes through